A newly discovered drug has already killed 5 people in Pinellas County. It's a synthetic drug known as Pinky, and it was banned today by Florida Attorney General Pam Bondi. 4 in Your Corner's Adam Pinsker showing us this drug is much more deadly than plain heroin.
Amy, it is 7.5 times more powerful than morphine. It can be even mixed in pills such as Xanax or inhaled. I talked to a couple Southwest Florida men who are hooked on synthetic drugs like this one. It's called U-47700. On the streets, it's known as the future, and it nearly derailed the future for Kyle Lawrence.
I've messed around with the future. That's what I've heard it called. The nasal spray stuff. It's just hard drug. In my opinion, it's harder than some of the harder drugs that I've done.
He described it as a euphoric feeling. Lawrence and his friend Cody Triggs recently completed a treatment program in Fort Myers. Although Attorney General Pam Bondi officially outlawed this drug, it's still hard to trace.
The friend I have on the other coast was telling me about this a couple months back, and he said they were finding it in a lot of the heroin.
The additive can make heroin 5 times as potent. Most of the time, the dealers don't tell their clients about it.
The risk of overdose increases, and the strategies needed to reverse an overdose also change, and that can be deadly if it's not responded to quickly enough.
Both Triggs and Lawrence doubt new laws will stop the flow of synthetic drugs into Florida. Cody says his addiction problem began when he was prescribed fentanyl at 16 for an injury.
You know, they didn't tell me you're going to get strung out on this, it's going to ruin your life, it's going to stop working when we take it away.
Both men say if you are hooked on prescription drugs, don't wait as long as they did to get help.
Been there, done that. And this is where it leads. To a treatment facility.
That's lucky.
That's lucky. Jails, institutions, or death.
Some drug overdoses occur in hospitals when people leave patients outside because they're afraid of being prosecuted. There is a law in Florida that shields you from prosecution if you're helping bring an overdose patient to the hospital. Reporting from Collier County tonight, Adam Pinsker, Fox 4 in your corner.
All right.